Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I hope you're all staying safe and at home. In the spirit of that, we wanted to create some B-roll of a very trendy coffee right now, which is Dalgona Coffee or the whipping coffee. Let's jump right into it. So this is the behind the scenes of that B-roll sequence that we just did, and I hope it turned out as good as I had imagined it in my head. If not, well, at least it was fun making it, and what better way to spend your time indoors than learn and hone your craft and practice. So show you around the setup that we have. So we are in my place, and we moved some stuff around just to create this set right here. The lighting today is really good. It's cloudy outside. And I like that soft lighting that it comes in through the window, so I decided not to set up any lights other than the tube light, the Yongnuo tube light. So I've set up the Yongnuo tube light right here, just to give me a hint of a blue color. I have the pot lights on up there in the kitchen. I have this table right here with the ingredients that we'll need. I was gonna use this light, this aperture LED panel. Since it's really bright, there's all that light coming in. So I figured we'll just use that as our key light and use the window as our natural light source. So I'm gonna come down, and then you're gonna place this at the same time on the table with both hands. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. First ingredient is coffee. How about I'm just gonna off camera push this way, and then you're just gonna grab it. So once it hits here, you're gonna grab it and then bring it up here and then open it. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand because I need my other hand to slide the coffee jar. So let's do this in manual focus. One thing I forgot to mention is that I'm shooting this at on the A7 III, on the Sony A7 III at 120 frames per second to give you that really nice, creamy, buttery slow motion, just like the coffee we're gonna make. And because we're shooting at 120 frames per second, the shutter speed has to be at 1/250th, which requires a lot of light. But thankfully we have all of this natural light coming in, so I don't have to bump up the ISO too much, and I don't have to set up an extra light right here. Right now I'm at an ISO of 500 on the aperture of f2.8, and I'm shooting this on the Tamron 17-28. I'm gonna be trying to shoot in different focal lengths from the 17 to 28 range, but I'm assuming that most of my shots will be in the 20 to 24 focal length. And another thing, I learned this trick from Peter Lindgren, is to hold your camera body as you were driving a go-kart, like in Mario Kart. Let's see if this does better than the other B-roll footage sequence that I shot of the Tamron 28-75 and this video up here. So let's continue with the B-roll. I forgot about an establishing shot. So I'm gonna be shooting from here. I'm gonna use this as like a wall, just to like a slow reveal in. And then you're gonna be putting the sugar here, and you're gonna be putting these two on the table. And for that, I'm gonna use the Tamron 28-75, so I can be a little bit zoomed in, and I'm not gonna shoot this at 120 frames per second. This shot is going to be at 24. The reason why I'm shooting tighter is that I wanna get stuff more in like in a central frame and take away a lot of the wide angle feel of things. Walk towards the table and just place the stuff. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Use the spoon and dig in. So when I come in here, yeah, you're gonna come and dig in that way. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe just like slow pour, like what you were doing earlier. So I'm gonna put I wanna make sure this is my mark. I'm gonna do a wipe this way. I'm gonna stop there. Make sure my focus point here is right. Okay, let's try this. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. What if you throw the whole thing at once? 1, 2, 3. This is a really cool idea. I'm going to do a point of view that I am the bowl. I'm going to put saran wrap here just to protect my lens. The coffee grinds are going to drop right on top. Let's see how that looks. Okay, drop it. I think that might work. I don't want to waste too much saran wrap. We'll just make do with that. You throw it to this hand, and then land it on the table. I'm just gonna follow the sugar pack. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that might work. And then now I'm gonna make it really dramatic, like super slow motion, opening the bag of sugar, like when you open a bag of chips. You go into the sugar, and then you do a Luma fade, and then the next shot is gonna be here. You're reaching out with a spoon, getting like a spoon of sugar up. The next step is 2 tablespoons of boiled water. So we'll get that water boiling and we'll get back into it. So I'm just gonna try to do a few close-up shots of this, so the same direction that the whisk is happening. We use healthy milk. We use oat milk, unsweetened original oat milk. I'm gonna start up here and then go down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the problem is that because this glass, there's a reflection and I see myself, so I'm gonna try an angle where I don't see myself. It seems like the only one might be this. Okay, when I count to 3, you're gonna do that, like lift it up. That nice. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dalgona Coffee. And now for the last shot, we're gonna do the presentation shot. So we have this thing right here. What do you call this? What is this? A marble presentation, food presentation thing. So right now we're just gonna get rid of all the ingredients and get ready for the last shot, which is the hero presentation shot. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So that is all, and I hope you enjoyed that B-roll sequence the same way we will enjoy this Dalgona coffee. And if you're trying to find something new to make at home, this is a really trendy recipe for coffee that's been going around the internet, and suddenly it got viral, even though it's been around for years apparently. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Your support will be greatly appreciated, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for watching. And again guys, I hope you all stay safe, stay indoors, and until next time.